arrived back in Colombo and the city has almost transformed. Just a few days ago, we were right here. The cosmopolitan veneer remains intact, but its energy is suddenly different. More people on the streets, signs of festivities everywhere, a sense of celebration and friendship. I'm welcomed back by the holy festival of Vesak. It's a fascinating time to be here. It celebrates the attainment of Nirvana by Gautam Buddha. This is the real birth of the enlightened Buddha as we know him today. It is celebrated in India too as Buddha Purnima, but acquires a whole different scale in Colombo. People from all around the country descend upon the capital city to celebrate this Holy Week. It's spectacular to say the least. Everywhere I've gone, I've met new people, made new friends along the way. I'm here in Sri Lanka for the nth time now, and once again, it showed me a whole different side of her. Majestic but inviting. Unexpected but warm. Traditional but modern. And for now, my journey ends here. This country still has my heart, and I will return again to see more of what it has to offer. The world is my happy place, and next week I know I will feel the itch to go traveling somewhere else again. Where will it be? Even I don't know, and my life will always be richer as a consequence. That's the reason I do what I do. This is me.